Click on the link below to get discount. The 1000W folding electric bike is a robust and innovative solution for those seeking an electrifying commuting experience or just a fun ride around town. This bike is designed with a powerful 1000W motor and is capable of reaching speeds exceeding 30 miles per hour, making it a formidable option for both urban commuting and weekend adventures. The versatility of this electric bike is enhanced by its folding design, making it easy to store and transport. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its 48V 20AH large removable battery. This battery provides a significant range, allowing users to travel long distances without the anxiety of running out of power. On a full charge, riders can expect to cover up to 40 to 50 miles depending on terrain, rider weight, and riding style. The removable feature of the battery is a game changer. It allows for convenient charging, meaning you can take the battery inside and plug it in without needing to haul the entire bike. This practicality is especially appreciated in urban environments where parking is limited. The bike's construction is impressive, featuring a sturdy aluminum frame that strikes a balance between durability and lightweight maneuverability. Weighing in at approximately 60 pounds, the bike is relatively easy to fold and carry, which is an essential factor for those who may need to transport it in a car or bus. It folds down neatly, allowing for compact storage in small apartments or car trunks, making it a fantastic choice for city dwellers. When it comes to comfort, the bike does not disappoint. The adjustable seat and handlebars cater to various rider heights and preferences, ensuring a customized fit for everyone. The broad tires are designed for stability and grip, providing confidence on both city streets and rugged trails. The front suspension system absorbs bumps and shocks effectively, enhancing comfort on uneven surfaces. Performance-wise, the 1000W motor delivers an exhilarating experience. The acceleration is brisk, and the bike responds promptly to throttle inputs. Whether navigating traffic or tackling inclines, the motor provides ample power without straining. This makes it a viable option for those who may not be as physically fit or are looking to avoid excessive fatigue during longer rides. The bike also features a pedal assist mode, which allows riders to engage the pedals while receiving an extra boost from the motor, further extending range and efficiency. Safety features are thoughtfully incorporated into the bike's design. It includes front and rear disc brakes, which provide reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. The bright LED headlights and taillights ensure visibility during nighttime rides, enhancing safety for both the rider and pedestrians. One aspect that is worth mentioning is the bike's control panel. It offers a user-friendly interface that displays essential information like speed, battery life, and distance traveled. This information is crucial for planning rides and ensuring you don't run out of battery unexpectedly. Additionally, the bike includes multiple speed settings, allowing riders to choose how fast they want to go, which can be particularly useful in conserving battery life. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. The bike is on the heavier side compared to non-electric bicycles, which may be a drawback for some users, particularly when navigating stairs or steep inclines without the assistance of the motor. Additionally, while the folding mechanism is efficient, it may take some practice to master, particularly for those new to folding bikes. In terms of value for money, the 1000W folding electric bike is competitively priced within the electric bike market, especially considering the powerful motor and high-capacity battery. Users are likely to find it a worthy investment, especially with the potential savings on commuting costs. Overall, the 1000W folding electric bike with a 48V 20AH removable battery is a versatile, powerful, and user-friendly option for riders seeking an electric bike that can perform well in various conditions. Its design promotes comfort and convenience, and the safety features ensure a secure riding experience. Whether you're a daily commuter or simply looking for an enjoyable way to explore your surroundings, this electric bike is sure to deliver a thrilling ride while meeting the